Izar lah.
Me lah.
Yo. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are at, where are we?
Zoo.
Yeah, literally bro.
No lah. Mandai Wildlife Rainforest.
Yeah, not wrong. Yeah, East Forest. We are at the Mandai Wildlife Rainforest Wild. Yes, very amazing as you can see from the intro. This is the place that I've always wanted to go, but I don't really find like the appeal of it. But I did a lot of research lah. They did say there's like a lot of things to do here, like trekking, and there's also things that you can see here. Yeah, two special people here. Mr.
Alfan, you know me from his vlog, bro.
Yes, the Halloween Horror Night, and this guy, Mr. Nas Daily. What do you say? Oh, very nice, the nature here.
Yeah, I made it.
What the fuck was that?
What animal what?
Oh, hell no. Bro, this one not Halloween Horror Night yet, bro. And is this a dead end? I don't know what monkey. What's this? This right here.
On the menu. Oh, this one the food lah.
Huh? Oh, yeah, actually, yeah, why is it?
Like that?
Why they put it here, bro?
This is the food. That means the something else inside here.
See, got one. Oh, that's the same one that just jumped from here to there. So cute.
I did a big try.
You're hot lah, you're hot.
Oh yeah, it's like 90 degrees here, bro. Oh. Hey, don't shake the thing, eh. It's kind of awesome though. Okay, so far we saw 2 monkeys, very nice.
Oh, it's so hot, bro, and there's no animals at all. Only one monkey there. There's
I think I'm gonna include that inside.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to vlog.
Bro,
It's hot, sir.
90 degrees, bro, 90 degrees.
I'm naked here again.
Yeah. You should take out your underwear like what you say in Halloween.
Guy?
Yeah, you say I try to take out my underwear off. It's very hot.
Yeah, it's so hot, bro.
Yeah, it's so hot. Yeah, so I taking my underwear off. Yeah. So far, my thoughts on this place is that there's nothing really much to see, but that's just my opinion right now. That's not for the whole thing, the whole day. Oh yeah, but there is a lot of trekking though. That's all I can say right now.
It's just a cigarette. How to done?
Inside.
That too.
But don't cut
Oh yeah. Bro, I cannot. I cannot. Bro, look at this guy, bro.
That's what I use both hands. Yeah, but it's not. It's still like solid, sir.
Still like what?
It's hard, bro.
Asian giant tortoise. So cute. Look at that.
Small boy.
Who does this animal remind you of?
Me, cause I think Reza, cause it's big and round and
That's why you
brown.
said me, then you said Reza. Oh, this is the deer. I don't know what kind of deer is this. Look at that.
Hey, you can bring the deer home.
Yeah, can ah.
Come here.
Go for, bro.
Yes, we are here.
It's locked lah.
Hey, you VIP unlock it ah.
Is it locked?
Oh, oi.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go to the out of bounds area. Let's go. Hey, do not cross dangerous animals.
Oh, is it a tiger?
Are we supposed to be? Yo!
You don't lah.
I got opening there. I cabut sah.
Look at carry though. Imagine it break.
Huh? Tiger gone already. Oh, you there?
Oh, yo! That is awesome, bro.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
Mr. Tiger. Hey, yo. Oh, they quite big, sir. Hey, this one not animatronic, you know. It's not real one, you know.
I know it's real.
5 people inside lah. Yeah, some person doggy style inside.
It's not AI.
Inside AI. What the?
So why?
I take everything I said. Okay, I'm gonna add to my thoughts of this place. That is already worth $20 because we got the SG60 3-person trio pass like deal. So yeah. Oh, this is so steep, bro.
You stanky leg.
Stanky leg, bro. Kevin, let's go. Planet Zoo. Yeah, I literally feel like I'm in Planet Zoo right now, bro. Should I get myself Planet Zoo?
Yeah, you should get my.
Is it good?
It's good. Damn good.
Yeah. I mean, I played the other game, the Planet Coaster.
Oh, no, not bad.
Yeah. Oh. Where is it?
Tu kalau kau masuk,
Oh,
memang kena hancur kau.
oh right there, bro. That's crazy.
Stop shaking it.
Who's shaking it? Don't shake it, bro. Okay. So, where's the entrance to this? Here. So we.
What the fuck this map, bro? It's
No, it's not. Oh wait. We need to go down. Then we go off by this path right here.
Okay.
Where is that? Did we see that?
I don't know. Where were we?
What the hell is it?
It's not right here.
Let me go back lah.
Okay, wait. We go. Yeah, we are here. We go down.
Where did you go back?
We go down there. Then there's a staircase that we have to go down. We probably missed it.
Wah, you there?
Wow, guys. Look at this amazing place right here. We are entering the cavern. Legit? Hey, yo!
Oh, that's not really the scary one.
Yee!
Bro, that's not as scary as the normal ones you see, bro.
Yo, you can see it like right there. You got even more. What is that? Ew! So big, sir.
Look at that.
Oh, I can feel the aircon. The Cavern experience.
Fire zone
Oh, what is this? Oh, this is awesome. Adam and Eve Tower. So nice. Look at that. Wow. Bro, this is like the Batu Caves in Malaysia, bro. What do you think of this place?
Yes.
Nice or not, this place?
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, like underrated.
What do you think of this place?
You know, it looks like My.
Ooh, so bright. Okay. So bright. We are out. Sparkling things up. There's a crocodile. Right, more caving, more caving. What is this? Wow, what is this?
I think this. Is it all inside?
What is this? Swift death. What is this? I saw got snake or something.
No way.
Bro, this one they changed the skin though. What do you call it? The de-skin, I don't know.
Skinning.
Okay bro. I mean yeah, it's probably called skinning.
No, it's not. I forgot the name. I know the name though.
A snake, so cute.
Shedding. Ah, yes.
Oh, this looks amazing bro, look at that. Matu caves. Ripples. What is this? Supposed to look like that. What am I supposed to be looking at? Oh, inside there. So high, I can't see. It's a different way here. Let's see what this place offers. That's the exit. Oh, scorpion. Let's go.
What is scorpion?
Yeah, where is it?
Where is it? Oh, there.
Wow. That's so tough. We are done with the cavern. It was actually a pretty cool experience. Feels like we are in Malaysia because usually Singapore don't have a lot of cave systems, right?
Yeah, the only cave I know is my toilet cave.
Yeah, but it's actually pretty sick. Yeah, literally the bat cave, bro. This looks so tough, bro.
Over there behind the tree we have the Malayan tapir, half black, half white. Originally from Malaysia, so you can find it in Malaysia. Yeah, it's currently sleeping. And over here we have black monkey.
Oh yes, this is the animal.
You like elephant, right?
Yeah, it does look like elephant.
Half Barbie. You look like Barbie also.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, it does.
Barbie apa ni? Barbie, tengok Barbie.
This one look like pig and ant-eater combined.
And elephant, because of the trunk.
Yeah, ant-eater, the nose also like that. Same thing. Honey bears. I don't see any honey bears anywhere. Okay. We are currently on the way to the Sentinel Food Hall right here. It's been a tiring walk. We are all dying, bro.
Let's go night safari.
Okay, can.
Okay lah. I got free pass anyway.
Yeah.
Can I one?
We made it, guys. Nazrul is already very happy already.
Taste of Singapore. Hey, rasa Malaysia. See halal.
Huh, halal already? Walala.
See Malaysia. See halal.
Oh, I can taste Singapore. Oh, not bad.
We go for India.
Okay. Oh, my camera nearly fell. We have made it to the food hall. Okay, we are done. Look at this. They're all finished, right? Very nice. Got monkey there, you see that?
Bro, these keep on showing, bro. So annoying.
Got monkey. Do you see that?
Look at it.
Yeah, let's wait. This is sick, man. Whoa, this is cool. Oh my god, bro, don't. Bro, they keep shaking the thing, bro. This is cool, though. Look at that. Hello.
Bro, we're at the end.
Oh yeah, we explored the whole place. Woohoo!
Most
Most of them no animals there. All them like gone.
I don't know if this is allowed, bro, but
It's so wobbly, bro. It's so be like that.
come on, walk on. Hey, be careful, the ceiling. Oh my days, bro. It's so cute, the tiger.
I like you.
Daddy, come here. Daddy.
Predator track. Ooh, hello there. Very cute tiger. Yes. I mean, the tigers are supposed to be walking here, but they're not here.
Yeah.
But what if it is?
I don't know.
Look at Nas Daily, walking up the stairs. Make sure that he doesn't fall.
Ding, Chereng.
What the heck? Oh,
Go there.
Why? Where they go? I want to see them. Yo, the girl.
this is so tough, man. Tough. Legit, bro, legit.
Hey, let's go. Canopy.
Wow, look at this, guys.
Let's go jump, guys.
Bungee jump, let's go.
I don't mind.
So cute. Cute, right?
Look at Freddy. If it was
Low stream track. It's down here. Never mind. We are going through the aircon first, then we go out, and that's the cavern system. Yeah, because the cavern system also has a exit at the end.
still 1 hour though.
Yeah, but like we can leave early because we technically explored the whole place within like 3 hours, right? Or 4? I don't know. Yep, I'm fine.
Yeah, you explore everything already.
Yeah, we checked the map. And we are quite satisfied with it.
So we are done.
Yep.
I rate it 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. 7.
6, 7.
What about you, Nas? 6, 7. Whoa, look at this place.
Hey, you want to buy stuff?
No.
You want to buy? Question lah.
Wow, guys. Is that a dinosaur? It's a dinosaur. So what would you rate this place?
6, 7.
Oh, 6, 7.
6, 7.
Anyways, yeah, that's the Rainforest Wild. What's your rating again, Rainforest
Okay,
Wild?
Rainforest I gave it a 5 because it's like not much animals and I'm not walking, bro. So
I mean, that's the point of it. I kind of expected that. I'll give it like a 8 because it's kind of cool. I like it. It's like the atmosphere is just.
no, but for $32 is just not worth it. Bro.
Oh yeah lah, for $30. But luckily we got the SG60 thing, man. Okay, what about you? What do you think?
I'm free, bro. I'm VIP,
6,
bro.
7.
I mean, like you did want to go here for a very long time, right?
Yeah.
But what do you think about it though? Like honestly, do you meet your expectations or what?
It's good.
You.
6, 7. 6, 7.
Oh my god, this guy. So 6, 7 mean what? 7 or 6 out of 10?
67 out of 10.
Yeah, I think your leg too long. Oi! Yeah, literally the bad cave, bro. This looks so like tough, bro.